Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fatty acid may be defined as a hydrocarbon chain with a terminal carboxyl group. Two systems are used for the identification of the carbons in a chain. In the first system, the carbons in a compound are numbered, starting with the carbon in the most oxidized group, for example, the carboxyl group. In the second system, the carbons are assigned Greek letters, starting with the carbon next to the most oxidized group as alpha, beta and gamma, or it can be said that carbon number 2 is alpha, carbon 3 is beta and carbon 4 is gamma. The carbon of the terminal methyl group is called the omega carbon regardless of the carbon chain length. Arachidonic acid is written as 20 colon 4 with 5, 8, 11 and 14 in brackets. The number 20 before the colon indicates the number of carbons in the chain and the number after the colon indicates the number of double bonds present, which in the case of arachidonic acid are 4. The numbers in brackets reflect the positions of the double bonds with reference to carbon numbering with carboxyl group carbon as carbon 1. So, arachidonic acid is 20 carbons long with 4 double bonds between carbons 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12 and 14, 15. The most frequently used systemic nomenclature names the fatty acid after the hydrocarbon with the same number and arrangement of carbon atoms, with OIC being replaced for the final E in the case of saturated fatty acids and the final E replaced by ENOIC in case of the unsaturated fatty acids. Various conventions are used. For example, delta is used for indicating number and positions of the double bonds. For example, delta 9 indicates a double bond between 9 and 10 carbons of the fatty acid. The double bonds in a fatty acid can also be referred relative to the omega or methyl end of the chain. For example, arachidonic acid is referred to as omega 6 fatty acid because the terminal double bond is 6 bonds from the omega end. It may also be called an N fatty acid. The fatty acid contains a hydrophobic hydrocarbon chain with a terminal carboxyl group that has a pKa of 4.8. At physiologic pH, the terminal carboxyl group COOH ionizes and becomes COO, carrying a negative charge. This anionic group has affinity for water, giving the fatty acid its amphipathic nature, that is, having a both hydrophilic and a hydrophobic region. However, for very long chain fatty acids, the hydrophobic portion is predominant. These molecules are highly water insoluble and must be transported in the circulation in association with a protein. In animals, additional double bonds are introduced only between an existing double bond and an existing double bond at the omega 9, omega 6 or omega 3 position and the carboxyl carbon, leading to 3 series of fatty acids known as omega 9, omega 6 and omega 3 families respectively. So that's the omega 9 family at the top, then omega 6 family and omega 3. These are the fatty acids present in the omega 9 family, omega 6 family and omega 3 family, which is omega 3 is very beneficial for the health of the cardiovascular system. Fatty acids may be classified based on the saturation. Fatty acids that contain no double bonds are saturated fatty acids. These are the examples of some saturated fatty acids and their sources. Fatty acids may contain one or more double bonds, that is mono or polyunsaturated. In humans, majority are saturated or monounsaturated fatty acids. If a fatty acid has two or more double bonds, they are always spaced at 3 carbon intervals. So here you can see that the double bonds present are spaced at 3 carbon intervals. So unsaturated fatty acids may be classified as monounsaturated, polyunsaturated and eicosanoids, which are derived from 20 carbon polyenoic acids, and these are further classified as prostanoids, which contain prostaglandins, prostacyclins and thromboxans, and leukotrienes, which contain lipoxins. So these are some examples of monoenoic or the fatty acids which contain one double bond. Then there are some dienoic acids, for example linoleic acid, which is an essential fatty acid. Trienoic means that these fatty acids contain 3 double bonds. An example is linolenic, again an essential fatty acid. Tetraenoic means 4 double bonds, and example is arachidonic acid present in animal. Eicosapentaenoic acid means these contain 5 double bonds. Example is timnodonic acid, which is present in fish oils. Then there may be hexaenoic or the fatty acids containing 6 double bonds, and for example docosahexaenoic acid, also called the cervonic acid, and it is present in the phospholipids in the brain. Fatty acids may also be classified on the basis of the cis-trans isomerism. When double bonds are present in a fatty acid, they are always in cis rather than the trans configuration. The introduction of a cis bond causes the fatty acid to bend or kink at that position. So here you can see that a saturated fatty acid is shown, then a fatty acid with trans configuration of double bonds is shown, and a fatty acid with cis configuration is shown. So the trans fatty acid is unsaturated, but its behavior is like that of a saturated, that is, it stiffens the membranes. Cis and trans bonds influence the molecular dynamics, lateral packing, fluidity and lateral mobility in a cell membrane. This is a type of geometric isomerism in unsaturated fatty acids, depending on the orientation of atoms or groups around the axis of double bonds, which do not allow rotation. If the hydrogen atoms are on the same side of the bond, it is cis, or on opposite sides, it is trans. Double bonds in naturally occurring unsaturated long chain fatty acids are nearly all in the cis configuration, the molecules being bent at 120 degrees at the double bond. Thus, cis configuration has a V shape, whereas the trans conformation is straight. Increase in the number of cis bonds in a fatty acid leads to a variety of possible spatial configurations of the molecule. For example, arachidonic acid with 4 cis double bonds is bent into a U shape. This has a profound significance in molecular packing in cell membrane and on the positions occupied by fatty acids in more complex molecules such as phospholipids. Trans double bonds alter these relationships. Fatty acids may also be classified based on their chain lengths. Short chain fatty acids contain 2 to 4 carbon atoms. Medium chain fatty acids contain 6 to 12 carbon atoms, and short to medium chain fatty acids are present in the milk. Chain fatty acids contain 14 to 20 carbons and examples are palmitic acid, stearic acid and arachidonic acid. Long chain fatty acids contain greater than or equal to 22 carbons and these are present in the phospholipids in the brain. Essential fatty acids include linolenic and linoleic acid.